push the plastic bit through until it locks itself, not trapping any cables. Now we need those screws. I'll put it there. Beautiful. Don't forget this to screw on. It was like this, I think. One screw, two screw. Where's the other screw? I found more screws. So, 3 screws. This one, yes. This one's with this one, but I need something like that. Oh, like that. Yes. Put this in place. And slowly screw it. I'm not tightening all the bolts yet. As always, if you have more screws or bolts, just screw them in. Don't tighten them. And then when they're all nearly in, then you can tighten them. Okay. So now we can tighten all of them. Beautiful. Yes. All of them are tight. Now we can tighten the top ones, not tighten but screw them in first. Okay. 4 big ones at the top. Okay, now screw in the rest of them.
Now when you put most of the screws in, because the positioned itself into the correct position, and now you can just... Okay, so now we can push this rubber bit in, because the aluminium is now stable. Okay, now some more screws that I've unscrewed. Three more screws. Just screws. Okay, so one goes in here.
Then one goes in here. And then one goes in here. I think it's 1, 2, and speaker, still. That's it, all the holes are filled. You can just trace back and push these in the correct places where they need to be, or where they were. There, speaker is in. Okay, so now we can connect all of them up. So we got here 1, 2, then this is the tweeter, and this needs to go in here. See? Very easy jigsaw. So now windows should work. Oh no. Oh yes. They should. If I would have the keys.
But they don't. Okay. So now curtain. Put the curtain in. Let's put the curtain in. So then we've got one last locking connection here, which I already showed you how to unlock and lock. Yeah. Let's put this out of the way because it's in my way. Okay, let's lock this last piece. Is it the other way? Yes, it's the other way. One locked. Back. Lock. And then tweeter. Locked. And now hook the handle hook. You know what? I might leave this for tomorrow because I will do the rubber tomorrow and leave this because I might need to get into there, so there's no point of putting this on at the moment. I'm just gonna put it like that so I can lock the door. Just gonna put it on clips, see whether the window works. It works. The other side works. Okay, let's try locking with my new key. So now the car is not locked as it was for half a year. Now it is locked. See? But the rest of the car isn't locked. The central locking doesn't work, so that is the central locking. I don't know. I'll work it out later. There you go. So I'll put the rubber in tomorrow and we're gonna finish up tomorrow. Okay guys, it's time, it's the final day of the build. We need to put this rubber back. We need to take these out and put them in the car, and then I don't know, we'll see, but this ends today. So we've got some rubbish there and we've got some clips we need to move in the car one day. This is the last of the bits to do on this door. Oh, there's one more bolt. Now, so let me just check whether this is recording and we can start doing it. I can see it's recording, yes. So now we can start finishing it. Okay, rubber. You can see I've got everything here already. So now the central locking started working. Look, remember I said yesterday it doesn't work. Look, see, it started working. I don't know why. I don't ask questions, as long as it works. Okay, so what do I do with this? Let me entertain you. This looks very complicated, so it must be here. Oh. See? Everything works now. Okay, how do I do this? Was it here? No, okay. So from memory this goes here like that, yes. Yes, no? No. This goes at the bottom. Or this goes there. This goes here and this goes here, yes. Yes. I finally worked it out, yes. So this goes here somewhere. Huh? Okay, let's start putting it back. How does this work? You need to press. No, it's supposed to be just press in, yes. So just press in and that's it. And work your way around. So I'll just put a little bit in. And I'll make sure it's in the right position for these bits. So now it's held by that at the top. Now we can start putting in here. Where does this go? Okay, see, I told you that I don't need to put this on yet. because this will need putting it there. Okay. What is the height? Yes, so I can see the rubber has like a little lip, and now it sits on the lip, and that will be the position of it. Now I just need to see, yes, there. I'm gonna need a small screwdriver to put this rubber behind there. Oh. Yes, yes. Grandma. Oh. Correct position, yes. Now let's press this in, and we can go around the doors then. Yes, now we can start going around the doors. So there's like a little ridge there. You put it into there, and then just literally press. The rubber compresses itself, and then it comes back, and this falls into the other groove. It's very easy. We just need to make sure that this lip is in first, like so. And then you just press the rest from this side. Like so. And now I can speed this up, maybe play some music, and you can watch me do it, or you can turn off. Don't forget to subscribe before you turn off. Thank you very much. If you're off, if you are staying, thank you for staying. So you can see that this is going underneath as well. Needs a deep clean, this car. Very deep clean indeed. This has like a little hook there, see? Hook. And it hooks onto this one, but it's sort of a little bit under pressure because this doesn't move. You have to put this underneath it. So just a little bit of massage, and it'll go in where it needs to go. Oh. And now we come, well, you can see the error. This is still here. I'm gonna have to unscrew that frame and put it back, but now we come to this, to these things, and I think I will need to reuse those as much as possible, but I will need to take them out as carefully as possible as well. So let's see if we can get them out. I'll just adjust this so it doesn't press too hard on them, so it doesn't crush them, but grips enough to take them out. Let's see. Up. Oh, yes, I think so. We can take the rest of that. Oh, very easy. Beautiful. You can just adjust those, you know, just to grip just the right amount so it doesn't crush the clip. And you can just take it out. Okay, any clips left there? There's one here. Don't forget, I can't look. There he is. Come on, boy. I need you, man. This one's need more grip. Don't let me down. And he's out. One more at the bottom there. I knew this was gonna happen. Anyway, you're gonna see blood in a minute, so a bit of blood there, a bit of blood there, and a bit of blood there. Not a lot. Okay, so no more. So now we just have to put these here and take this off, because I forgot that this frame is here. Good as new. See? Beautiful. Put this back, Let's finish with this door. Not sure when, but you'll have to be. Yeah, okay. So now, come here, boy. Come here, boy. Extra. Put it back in, and then you're just gonna in as well. It falls into its hole. A 1, a 2, a 1, 2. You ain't nothing but a hound dog, crying out loud. You ain't nothing but a hound dog. There. And put the last one in. Here. Yes. Beautiful. Now we can put this in. Press this in. That's it. Yes. Yes. That's it. That's it. And then we've got one black cover here and one black cover here. Press the rubber. There we go. That's it. Let's put the cover in. forget about this door for now. There we go. Everything's connected. Hook on. Now I just need to find those clips. Clips. All clipped up. Yes. Now 3 screws and a cover, and we will be done with this thing. Where's my... There, let's just help ourselves. Make it quicker. Will be this one. Put in there. In there. This one is in. This one is in. One more. I can't see. That's it. Beautiful. Thank you guys very much for watching. As always, I would like to ask you to subscribe. It doesn't cost anything for you to subscribe, but it means a lot to me, because I'll get more subscribers. I'll know I'm doing this thing right. If I'm not getting any, what's the point of doing this? So thank you very much for watching. Share with your friends, like and whatever. Thank you very much. Goodbye. See you in the next one. So the best thing, I've got this triple distilled pure grain spirit 37, so this will do. This will be my disinfectant. Very nice. Give it a wash. Oh, it burns a little bit. Very nice, very nice. Oh, beautiful. Good as new.